Most textbooks won't teach you this verb, but it's literally impossible to be fluent in the language without it. While we all know is maitlim means I like, what if we want to use that in the future or the past? See, this is where there's kind of difficulties. All those is verbs such as is maitlim, is fearlim, is evenlim can't be used in the future because the is won't go into the future, and equally we normally don't use them in the past to avoid confusion with the conditional. So what if I want to say I liked something or she will like something in the future? I'm going to have to use this verb. Tatanle works very similar to appeal in English, in the sense it's the thing you like or don't like that's doing the action. So while I might say I like the book and I'm doing the action, it's I like. I could also say in English, the book appeals to me. The book appeals, therefore the book is doing the action. So while it's easy enough to say it's maitlim an leabhar, present tense, I like the book, if I'm putting that in past tense, I'm going to take my root, tatan, put a little h on it as always, and I'm going to say that the book is doing the action, hatan an leabhar lum. In other words, the book appealed or shone with me. I liked her, hatan she lum. They liked me, hatan me lo, for example, and then we can go through different tenses. Even though I said you can use obviously is maitlim in the present, you can also use hatan if you're more comfortable with it after a while to avoid you having to jump between the two. Tatnian on club lo, they like the club. Tatnoi on scalan shin lehi, she will like that film. So remember, is maitlim is pretty handy and you've learnt it from day one, but if you're going to want to switch tenses, tatanle is absolutely crucial. Lai wadni smó fi shani dúrchas le seo, bí the wall ag patreon.com/learnirishonline.